unfortunately. And huge quick, it's a huge danger, too. They don't have enough officers to get through here and block the roads off and put barricades down. You get big trees like this that are down, things, trees that have been snapped and down by their closer to the root balls here. But it's just a lot of debris. And a lot of things that you've got to clean up and get this tree off the road. This is in the eastbound lane, right? You got to get these things cleared away, and it just takes time. Now the good news is it's not nearly as bad as other places that we've seen. Let's take you over toward Panama City. Reynolds Wolf is there showing us some of the destruction. Reynolds.
That's right, Cody, from Panama City. More specifically, you see the name over there, Palm Bay Prep Academy. This is the auditorium. Let's go and take a peek at this. It's hard to believe, hard to find any place, any place around the community that has not been affected by this massive hurricane. Not just on the shore, but obviously farther inland, like where we happen to be, including this auditorium. Unreal. So you have a window to heaven right there. And then right in the foreground, you see the pews and you see damage everywhere. We're actually warned by one of the gentlemen here on the property to watch out for some of these tiles. They're not especially heavy, but they are just soaked from all the water that went through. Now, again, I am no builder by any measure, but I would think that for a good part of this has got to be a total loss. I don't know what you can salvage here, but all the way from the front of the pews all the way to the pulpit itself, it is just a mess. And what you're feeling when you step too is just tons of water that just cascaded from, gosh, hard to believe, just from a system that was just a cluster of clouds just weeks ago that rumbled on our shores. Now we're seeing the effects of it. There's even debris and leaves that are right up against parts of the wall. Yeah, unreal. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of help, a lot of assistance flowing into this part of the country from all over, even internationally in some respects. People in Canada coming into Edlin to hand. And I'll tell you, if you take a look out here, you can tell that they're going to need all the help they can possibly get. If we can, let's just try to leave you with one more shot showing you the outside of this building. Hopefully this is not going to affect the camera too much when this light comes in. But past our great flags, and then right over here, pure evidence of the power of Michael. Unreal. You see the blocks knocked over, a lot of this concrete, heavy stuff, not light by any measure. Sheets of roofing that could have been from houses, maybe even up to a mile away, no telling. But it's all here, and it is definitely one huge mess. Well, that's the story that we have in Panama City. I'm meteorologist Reynolds Wolf.
All right, thanks, Reynolds. We have a new tornado warning in central Virginia. This includes Lunenburg and Prince Edward County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Time. This system is showing some radar-indicated rotation just to the east of, south and east of Keysville, north of Rehoboth, and west of Victoria. You can see there's that rotation, likely coming over Highway 40 here imminently. So next up, Briery, you can see that strong storm in the area, and then Hampton-Sydney after that around 5. Take shelter, please.
To look at me now, you don't see psoriasis. You see clear skin.
Cosentyx can help people with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis find clear skin that can last. Don't use if you're allergic to Cosentyx. Before starting, get checked for tuberculosis. An increased risk of infections and lowered ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor about an infection or symptoms if your inflammatory bowel disease symptoms develop or worsen, or if you've had a vaccine or plan to. Serious allergic reactions may occur.
How sexy are these elbows?
Ask your dermatologist about Cosentyx.
Who knew?
Yeah. So you're with the UPS store?
Yes. In fact, we printed these right here.
Oh, I thought you guys just did shipping.
No, we do printing, packing, faxing, notarizing, shredding, mailboxing, copying, taping, binding, consulting, designing, returning, storing, printing. Oh, and of course, shipping.
So you're in the shipping?
We also do printing, packing, faxing.
Come into the UPS store today for every need your small business needs. And of course, shipping.
A new client just went to my site with Binder and Binder. I was scared about winning my Social Security disability case. We'll deal with the government. You have enough to worry about. Don't be scared. Call 800-4-BINDER.
Most homeowners draw a blank when asked what their home projects should cost. That's why at Home Advisor, you can see what others paid for similar jobs in your area. Start your next home project knowing what you should pay. Go to homeadvisor.com or download the free app.
We asked our customers, why is Consumer Cellular your choice in wireless?
So what do you like about